man. I don't remember being drunk enough to do this. Colorado? Weed. Weed? This. Don't do weed. Okay, so today we're going to go ahead, we're going to fix this dumb mistake right here, and we're going to fix this 2006 Colorado, something like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop up our little hood, pop that up, and we're going to come take a look and see what it's going to take to unscrew this. You come over here, bolt there, bolt right here. Take those 3 bolts off. See all the damage this thing caused? We're going to have a bolt here, a whole bunch of bolts underneath here, hold the fender flare on, and then you have the inner fender attached. Okay, we're going to take our little magic pliers here, pop it up in here. Ow, that hurt. There goes 1. There's 2. The third one. 4. Must be a little stingy bastard, don't he? There we go. It's got double-sided sticky tape on it. Right there, all along there. So we're going to have to throw that fender away. We'll have to put new sticky tape on this when we're done. Okay, so it's going to require 3 10mm bolts to come out. So let's go see if we got the right tools for the job. No. No. Maybe. Oh, look at that. That's convenient. That one, throw it down to the ground. That one there. We'll pop that off. Now what we gotta do is figure out how to get this middle one right here out. It's crunched in really good. And this whole fender should pop off. Starting to think whoever designed the Colorado designed it in Colorado. Fucking nutheads here. Who comes up with a design like this? God damn it! And this was how to easily remove a 2005 Colorado Fender. My name's Chevy, and this is how to remove your 2005 Dodge Colorado. Why do I keep calling it Dodge Colorado?